As to start off our project, we're just going to go ahead and I'm using the this is the RIP software that comes with the Crio. So this is what I'm using for today's project, and I'm just going to go right over here to this plus so I can just add in the design that we're using today. And remember, when you're using a RIP software, you need to have like it has to be a PNG, JPEG, a couple other different formats, and I'll have those pop up on the screen for you. Okay, it has to be a certain format to be able to be used with the white toner, so it can't be like an SVG or anything like that. So I'm just loading in my design. If I click it and you see the background is transparent, you always want a transparent background. I'm using, hold on, let me get, where did it go? I'm using 8.5 by 11 size paper. You can see it right here. Multi-purpose, and instead of the forever laser dark, we're doing light. So I'm just going to change that. That's like the only thing I'm going to change, but I do want to make this a little bit smaller. If I can just grab these, there you go, grab the corner and can make it smaller. Or if your design is small and you want to make it big, you can come up here and this will make it fit to the page, right? Or this will just make it fit width wise, height wise, whatever. Here are some just little quick tools that can help you right here. And so one thing, I do have this design, right? Say you didn't want the words craft life. So you would just click it, go right here to crop, let it load, and we can just crop the whole design to where the words are, once you have it how you like. And this isn't perfect, but that's fine. You hit create and yay, no more words. So that's just a little something if you want it. And somebody asked me, how can you print landscape? So if you had a design you wanted to print landscape, again, you would make sure it's selected. Go right over here where it says rotate and rotate 90 degrees. Okay, you see it's red because now when I rotated it, it got too big for the page. Okay, so that's it. That's all I'm going to do for this. And we're just going to go ahead and go right up here and hit print job. And then we'll finish out the rest of the project. Okay, so for this project, I'm using the Forever Laser Light paper. And unlike the dark paper, you print directly onto this paper with the white side up. And this is also called a one-step paper. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and load that with the white side up, and I'm printing with the Crio 8432, which will be linked in the description box of this video, as well as everything else I used for this project. Now I'm going to go ahead and be printing onto this BELLA+CANVAS tee in like a sand color, I think it was, and it is a 91% polyester and 9% cotton tee. And then I'm also going to go ahead and print on this baby tee as well. And it's a 52% cotton and 48% polyester. And of course, you can go ahead and print on 100% cotton as well. But I just didn't have any light colored ones on hand, so I just used what I had. And of course, I'll have the link in my description box that you can use to create a BELLA+CANVAS Makers account and go ahead and grab you some BELLA+CANVAS flakes at a wholesale price without any order minimums or reseller certificate needed. Okay, so of course, before we even get into our project for real, we're going to go ahead and give our shirt a pre-press. And I'm going to be pressing this paper at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds with high pressure. Now, the recommended time and temperature for this project is between 356 degrees and 392 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds with high pressure. So depending on your heat press, you might have to play around with those temperatures, okay? So once it's pressed, you do need to rub it with the cloth for like 5 to 10 seconds, or you could shake it. And then we're going to slowly but firmly peel our transfer away, okay? And then once we get that, you'll have a nice clean peel. Ooh, look how that turned out. Ooh, nice clean peel, no toner left. I love it, okay? And I was actually like pleasantly surprised at how well this actually came out on this sand colored shirt. And I love how you can capture like all the little details with a white toner printer. Now, I printed onto that baby tee that I showed you earlier, but I didn't follow the steps that I just gave you. And so make sure your time and temperature is very important unless you want your shirt to look like this. But that is really pretty much it. That is how you can get these full color images on a light shirt with a white toner printer. Of course, everything will be listed in the description box. Which shirt is your favorite? I love how the blue sleeves really make this pop. But as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later.